We begin tonight with a live look at your afternoon rush. It's already jammed on some of our highways. Good afternoon to you. I'm Jeff Goldblatt. With more people moving to the Alamo City, road construction needs to keep up with the growing demand.
But a new report out today says the city is falling behind. With more on how the roads around the city impact every driver, here's Jeremy Baker.
Okay, the report was released by a nonprofit transportational research group called TRIP. The report looked at the 4 metropolitan cities in Texas, Dallas, Houston, San Antonio, and Austin, and found that San Antonio had the worst road conditions. Amanda Jones lives in Fredericksburg, but drives to San Antonio often to shop and eat at restaurants, so she's accustomed to traffic.
I feel like you have to really plan your day out in order to have enough time to get where you need to go.
She says even though she sees construction to improve the city's highways and roads, it isn't helping.
I feel like there's a lot of construction that doesn't get done very quickly, and it can sometimes cause problems.
TRIP says the extra road congestion and conditions amount to $1,780 a year in costs for the average motorist in San Antonio. That breaks down to $331 due to traffic accidents, $662 for poor road conditions, and $787 on gas sitting in traffic and wear and tear on the vehicle. On the flip side of the study, out of the 4 major metros, San Antonians spent the least amount of time annually stuck in traffic, 38 hours. But the report also found only 20% of our roads to be in good condition, fewer than half the amount in Austin. The number of poor roads is staggering to TRIP.
We, of the four major metropolitan areas, have the worst highways and transportation system of the major metros in Texas.
These are roads that are not just beating up the drivers, they're beating up your vehicles, and that means you're going to need more repairs, and more critically, your vehicle's not going to last as long as you would like.
Now, TRIP says its findings underscore the need for voters to pass Proposition 1 in November. If passed, that ballot measure would take $1.4 billion in oil and gas tax revenues from the state's rainy day fund and funnel it into transportation funding. Now, it's nowhere near close to the amount of money needed to bring all of San Antonio's roads up to the status of good, but city leaders say it would at least be a good start. Live in Northwest San Antonio, Jeremy Baker, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.